welcome to today's video. I'm going to let you know where I'm at with the project, what's coming up next, and I have not followed up with the stereo installation video yet. It is in, everything's working, it's loud, it sounds good. I don't know what I'm going to do for a video yet. I'm not going to show you how to install a stereo. I'm probably going to go over what I learned about putting a double DIN stereo in a 1.5 DIN location like the early Corvettes. So I'll share with you what I used, what I bought, and how I set it up within the dash. So stay tuned for that. I don't know when that'll be out, but stay tuned. So what I am going to do, the next project, is I'm going to remove the entire front clip. The bumper, the hood, I am going to take out everything. The radiators, the coolers, the fans, everything is coming out. The entire front of the car is coming out, and I'm going to address a small leak in the rack and pinion system, and I have a small coolant leak. So I'm going to address all that. I'm going to make a decision during that time if I change the radiator, and I also have to decide if I'm going to do the ZF6 manual conversion. I'm not sure about that. I'm a little worried that if I do that, it's gonna decrease the value of the car so much. So I might just leave the automatic in, and if I want a 6-speed car, I'll just buy one. And I am looking. I'm looking for another car. I'm looking for a 6-speed, and I'm looking for an LT1 car, so that I have both generations of Corvettes and both drivetrains. If I can get a 96 LT4, I will, but it needs to be in my budget. Alright guys, so that's what's coming up. Complete removal of the front clip, the entire thing. And I'm gonna clean it, I'm gonna replace bolts, I'm gonna paint things. While I have it apart, I have one good opportunity to do all that, so I'm gonna take advantage of it. FYI, I am planning to rebuild the rack and pinion myself. Everything I read in the forums, they tell you do not turn your rack and pinion system in as a core. You want to rebuild it, or you want to make sure you get a rebuilt GM component. You don't want an aftermarket one. Apparently they make a lot of noise. They don't work all that great. I don't know. I kind of thought they all would be built from cores, but there must be a difference. So I'm going to be rebuilding my power steering and my rack and pinion system. Going to address the coolant system. I'm not sure yet exactly what I'm going to do there. And I might get the air conditioning functional again. Let me tell you, it's crazy hot in that car. I gotta cool it off. So stay tuned guys, I got a lot going on. I'm gonna start this right away. I have all summer to work on this front end restoration. So stay tuned.